Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to transfer BNB from Binance to Coinbase in 2025. If you're looking to move your Binance coin for trading, staking, or just better security, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always remember, crypto transfers involve real money, so we'll go step by step to keep things safe and smooth. First things first, make sure you have verified accounts on both Binance and Coinbase. In 2025, platforms might have updated interfaces, so double-check for any new verification requirements. Once you're logged in, head over to Binance and navigate to your wallet section. Find your BNB balance, that's your Binance coin. Next, select the withdrawal option for BNB. Here's a key tip. Choose the right network. Coinbase typically supports BNB on the Ethereum network, ERC20, or possibly BNB Smart Chain, depending on updates by 2025. Always confirm compatibility to avoid lost funds. Enter the amount you want to transfer, then copy your Coinbase wallet address. Pro tip. Double-check this address because one wrong character could send your BNB into the void. Now, paste that address into the withdrawal form on Binance. Add any required memos if needed, and review the transaction details, including fees. Fees can vary, so keep an eye on them. They might be higher in 2025 due to network changes. Hit confirm, and you'll get a confirmation email or notification. While you wait for the transfer, which could take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, jump over to Coinbase. Go to your account and refresh your wallet. Once it shows up, you're all set. Finally, verify the transaction on a blockchain explorer to ensure everything's secure. And there you have it. You've successfully transferred your BNB. Remember, crypto is volatile, so stay informed about any 2025 regulations. If this helped, smash that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.